Iko na shiti da Dines pick up kanya pajak Dines Devarma Bangalore Tiprasa da Dines. We are all set to go to the airport and my lovely friends here are going to drop me. Here is Dolly and here is Florence. Iko. That's my beautiful friend.
Let's go.
People are scared of airport, but she wants to drop me. And
Can I switch off?
yeah, okay. Hi, Dadines.
Hello, how are you?
So here's our Bangalore Tiprasa, always helpful guy from Bangalore.
Let us.
1,000.
Kongsa?
Sara.
I don't know.
Rasa so now we are
It's
taking
79 rupees,
Yes.
78 paisa. Wow. Too costly, man.
yes, Supung Tongo airport thangna bagay airport ninke 60 kilometers o jagani around 60 kilometers from Kumar Swami layout.
Oh, what's the problem? Uh-oh. Nobody. Toll ticket. Idhar lena? Okay. 220.
Yeah.
If you want 20, no?
Eko sa kanat ta.
Oh, bang ti firok na ita.
Lang thanin gele.
Tama, bang ti insata. No, ito tama slaro. Oh, jibra sarok niya.
Sige sing to kata hi-fi change ro ta.
Ano, change mo, Chris.
Sing bang dis na ni thabo.
Bangla si Bangla nana.
Oh bayan na sa di ba.
Bangla nana, ito ba? Kaya sino mo rarang? Ito pura. Kau pura ba Bangla sih, no?
Bang di.
Ara busang hati kisa punok na busang ni Bangla na.
200 টাকা নিয়ে 100 মা ফিরক নাইতা বাংলা
100 ma ki phil nai.
both ways अच्छा तो वापस आने के टाइम पे वापस लेना पड़ेगा
Bro nangaro long time
हाँ,
thaken gange.
ठीक है
Tan
थैंक्स
pinai ran.
Busang ma ka Bangla.
Our time thaken hourly now.
103 টাকা
India.
Ako teka tang ngayon no.
Teka
Bangladesh nita.
Bangladesh
pura ang Pokemon.
컵담
Khoptam chin kong boy kai. India chatia pastia.
Ashtiya.
Ako rupees singli ya single taka sing diba. Bangladesh haje kita.
Nang tumang lang bo asik halang bo.
Hai pai la ha ka. Hai ta. Hai wan sakhitung sing pai la.
Doro ma.
Sakhitung. Doroma.
जमाते का सारा खाको
Doroma.
मत
Dari ni ko ay nakisa shitaran sa ko. Kan ba nita? Dines Devarma Bangalore Tiprasa ni gari. Dewa shitaran ni desu. Dewa shitaran ni desu. Hai hai re. Dapsa ke sida. Doroma ke shitarama ka kita. Nanti ye shitarama ya. Haya mas. Ayah pati berat, aku dapat nambah citra no itu tuh ini mulai naik culi ya ta. Saya sebenarnya kan kiri sini please I'm sorry.
no problem natural this is called natural
Also naturally kazu kumta yang togla background nanang jaga enggak.
see VIP terminal Rokho
Sino VIP
and where are we going okay that's on the right sorry on the left
जों VIP दे रंजाक सागर बिसो
आं थांगोन बियाबि न माराम जानाय
made in China ni ni tawa dong sare dong kari leje
Corona ya.
hani bora sono bagus जों हाय मला को Hyundai गाड़ी न बोला
Ani khorang eating ani mare song tuijak ana drop khanya phayo biang khana nai Miss Florence by Dolly
I'm going to Agartala.
biang khana Dolly
khaya non ro phare phayo
Bye bye.
mask pehno yaar web check-in mandatory ma khayo web check-in am dikhe compulsory tabu.
Due to COVID-19, it is now mandatory to do your web check-in 48 hours to 60 minutes before your departure. To do your check-in, you have to go to Indigo website, copy your PNR number and paste it there, and also type your email ID and check in. They will be giving you your allotted seat, and if you want to choose any special seat for yourself, you will need to pay extra amount. Other than that, everything else is free of cost. So, once you reach the airport, you will be guided to a booth where you will have to scan through your phone camera a code given in that machine, and once you'll be typing your PNR number, you will be getting your boarding pass printed out through that machine. The next step will be your body temperature check. Now in this step, you have to remove your specs and your mask, and they will be checking your body temperature while you will be standing still in front of the machine.
Temperature check khayo jaga wo ke product check khaibe anori roga mask ro khulok din sawo ke chosma khulok din sawo.
Once they check your body temperature and if everything is normal, you will be proceeding to the next step where they will be checking whether you have Arogya Setu in your phone. If you don't have, you will have to install it, and it is very much mandatory that it shows green in your Arogya Setu, saying you are safe.
Arogya Setu app sano genke sang Arogya Setu app o save ka pununga nango ke simi se cross ma khayo. Tabuk no joto no check-in khaibe kya check-in khaibe kya ke tai body scan khai kya ke Arogya Setu app borok check khai kya ke tabuk bising habai o back rok luggage rok rinai kisa kolong ma boarding pass rok niji niji no print out ma khayo ke kisa process tabuk kolok ma agin say different ke kisa to cost to kisa time nango an bagai airport o sakang norok phaibe di joto no 3 hours 4 hours rogya go now.
Now the process is completely different than before, so it is very important that you come 3 to 4 hours before your flight.
Niji no tabuk omorok ma thepao agi ka borok thepariwo tabuk ke cheng no jotan thepariwo mariwo borok kem no touch khayana tekhe virus rok infect nyana tekhe jotono sak no ma khayo tabuk thike.
According to the new rules, you are allowed to carry only one check-in bag and only one baggage, which should be not more than 20 kgs. And yes, even the tags in the baggage have to be printed out and stick by yourself, as Bengaluru airport is completely contactless. And also, even while checking your ID cards, the security people will not touch your ID card. They will be seeing your ID card through a lens which magnifies and allows them to see that ID card from far away. And now it's time for me to go and search for my gate number.
Tabuk not any baggage check khaibe kya tabuk khai any gate number 30 wa thangai tango kusu hasal tabuk gate number 2 sikho okay gate number 30 phanyani time tongkho.
My gate number is 30, so it's going to take me quite a while to reach to my gate.
Seat kasha gap rijak. Tabu joton social distance maintain khaima cholibo. Boro kabangma PPE kit ro kanjak protection ni bagai.
And there, I'm almost about to reach my gate now.
30 sakonya naikha. Ganai tongkha. Ani gate number 30. Boro kabangma. Lengkha. Naijong. Sida chengkha sidu samalia. Happen time dong khubla. Time tabuk 5
And thanks to that, Dinesh, I am way ahead of my boarding time, and surprisingly, I have broken my own record.
Da Dinesh ana drop khaidi ma bagai. Balai jati sakka ma bagai. Tabuk te kaisa anjai sakang flight beginning tongko. Angkai ise time nangai kho. So yang kisa guri nyai gina.
The departure is on time and will be commencing boarding shortly. Request all customers to kindly subscribe to
Before boarding our flights, Indigo gave us some kit that is a face shield and a face mask and a sanitizer. Before boarding the flight, it is mandatory to wear the face shield and the face mask. Now it's time for me to enter the tunnel to my flight.
Direct flight between the cabinet. Tunnel guys.
The worst part of being a person wearing specs is everything gets very blurry, and if you guys can relate, then comment below and tell me if you feel the same.
Go. Honey number and 20 number. So large. System by Hake.
So one of the special changes that has been done now in Indigo, or maybe also in some other flights, is that the person, whoever sits in the middle of the row, is given a special protective clothing or a covering to avoid maximum contact. So this is India. फ्लाइट लैंड होती नहीं कि सब लोग सीट से उछलने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि सबकी ट्रेन जो छूट रही है, कोरोना दीदी तो जैसे इंडिया में आई ही नहीं है. Sad, but this is the truth of India.